Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here, and we're gonna make it a quick one because Jack is gonna eat me otherwise. Anyways, it's Jack's birthday. How slow are you? It's been a month since I made a video. This is depressing, and you guys know what? I'm gonna make an announcement. Are you ready for my announcement? There will not be another Sunday this year where I don't upload a video. Yes, I said it. I'm gonna make a video every single week until the end of this year because, you know, I need some pressure in my life. I realized I was a professional athlete and we excel under the pressure. So if you take away the pressure, we don't function as well. So I need some pressure in my life. So I'm gonna put myself some pressure and say there's gonna be a video every single week until the end of this year. And then at the end of this year, I'm gonna make a decision on what I'm gonna do with my YouTube channel because I kind of realized that I can't be making videos all the time if I don't get anything back from that financially because, you know, I kind of need money to survive. So, you know, there's that. But I really love to make videos, so I'm just gonna give it a chance until the end of the year and then figure out what I'm gonna do next. And how we're gonna go. But anyways, I'm just gonna talk quickly what has happened in the last month and then that will be today's video. Yay! And also we have to first of all start with congratulating Jack on his birthday! Woohoo! Jack is here! Jack is now 3 years old and we don't know when is Jack's birthday! We don't know when Jack's birthday is because the guy who gave Jack to me didn't tell me anything. He lied about where Jack is from. No, he lied that he didn't remember where he took Jack from. And he doesn't know when his birthday is. But he was around 5 months old when I got him. He wasn't even vaccinated. It's a very sketchy story. I have made a video about it. If you want to watch it, I'll link it in the description. But anyways, we don't know anything about Jack. And it doesn't even matter because we love Jack the way he is and we don't need to know those things. But it would be nice to celebrate his birthday. But since we don't know when his birthday is, we just picked a random date in October. So for now, for sure, Jack is 3 years old. Yay, I can't believe it already. It's been 2.5 years and it's been a crazy, I can't even imagine life without Jack anymore, and I feel like I had him for eternity and I can't imagine my life without him because he literally makes me so happy all the time and he makes me laugh all the time and I just love him so much. Yay! I hope one day someone will talk about me like this. I'm really excited about Jack. And I thought it will go away with time, but it only keeps growing stronger and the bond between us is really special and he has done so much for me and I am so grateful to have him in my life. And yay! Happy birthday, Jack! Jack is just chewing on his ball. What else has happened? Has happened that I have launched my postcard collection in Estonia. Right now it's available only in Estonia, but it was really exciting for me to finally have it out, and it took me months to get it right because the print shop kept sending me some weird colored samples and it was just a long process, so I'm really happy to have it out finally. So if anybody wants it delivered, I can send it to you with post if you live in Estonia, or if you live outside, if you really want it, you can write to me an email as well, and I will see how much the posting would be to your country. And I also, for October and November, we opened a huge shop. Hiiumaa producers from Hiiumaa opened a shop in Tallinn. Tallinn is the capital of Estonia. Most people don't even know what Estonia is, so when I say Tallinn, they are clueless. But there is a shop in Tallinn that has all the products from small producers in Hiiumaa, and it's the cutest shop. It's very unique and it has some really delicious and just pretty good looking handicraft and also my prints. I took my prints there and it was such an exciting journey to have my photos printed out and to put it on the walls, and I'm just really proud of myself. Like, yay, even if nobody buys them, I'm proud of myself for putting myself out there and giving myself a chance. And if you want to go check it out, then it's open until end of November. Then we're gonna close up. And also, Corona is really bad in Estonia. I think we're going to a lockdown because people are just not getting vaccinated. please, if you're Estonian and if you haven't been vaccinated, please think about it because literally we have to go on a lockdown soon because our hospitals are reaching their maximum capacity because only 57% of the population got vaccinated this far, and it's just looking really, really bad for our hospitals. There are tens of thousands of people whose doctor's appointments have been postponed since springtime. So people are waiting for their operations, tens of thousands. There was, I think it was 22,000 people from springtime waiting for their appointments. So it's just a lot of people whose health is getting really bad and who need their operations but who can't because the hospitals are dealing with unvaccinated corona patients, because in the intensive care units where people need oxygen and they can't breathe on their own, over 90% of people are people who are unvaccinated, and it's still going up in Estonia, so it's really, really bad. So I really wish that people would just listen to their doctors and listen to the scientists and go and get their vaccines. And yeah, I just feel bad for the doctors, to be honest, because Estonians are not like, there are a lot of people who are like, do I even want to talk about this subject? I haven't talked about Corona because I feel like there's so much information out there, but there is right now so much false information spreading about the vaccines and about Corona, and I don't know why Estonians are supposed to be smart people who listen to scientists, and right now in the Nordic countries, for example, there are no problems because people just got vaccinated. But over here, everybody's like, oh no, vaccines, we don't know what they do to you, blah, blah, blah. But like, literally, there are millions and millions and millions of people who have got the vaccine, so we know pretty much very well how it works, you know. And okay, long-term effects, okay, we don't know those, but I mean, we already know what long-term COVID does, right? And we already know that businesses are going bankrupt. We know that people are not getting to hospitals right now who need to get to hospitals because of COVID. So, you know, I feel like the risk is worth it, in my opinion. Anyways, let's go on. I made some photo shoots. What minute are we on? I made some photo shoot of, listen to this, I'm so excited, of dogs. I might have found my passion. I have made 4 photo shoots with dogs. Because you know I love dogs and you know I love photography, and if you put those together, what you get a perfect job for me. I'm not saying I'm gonna become a dog photographer, but I'm just saying I just spent $1,000 to buy myself a lens in order to do it better. So you know, there's that. Drone flying is so much fun. Oh my god, I haven't lost it, I haven't broke it. Good job. But my computer is too old to edit the footage, the 4K footage, so I need a new computer. Probably should have bought a new computer instead of the new lens, but you know, life is too short to be doing rational decisions. I have notes, I'm just gonna see, you know, because I forget what happens to me. So many things happen to me all the time, is that I need to make notes what happens to me so I can keep you up with my life, because you know, I can't keep up sometimes. But anyways, yeah, I went to the hike and it's so exciting. I went to the 3-day, 2-night hiking trip, and I can already say I'm addicted and I want to go again, but the sun sets at 4:30 right now. It's only 8 hours of sunlight in Estonia and it's getting darker and darker and darker. I mean, up north they already have this polar night, right? So it's not a good time for hiking. It's also cold and rainy and muddy and, you know, all that stuff. But I might still go anyways because it's so cool to go and literally carry everything you need to survive, and then go and sleep in the forest. And I was almost gonna sleep on the forest one day because I went on this really cool photo editing course that taught me how to take photos and edit photos of the Milky Way. And then another night, it was a really clear night, and it was perfect time to go and photograph the Milky Way. So I went there at night and I spent like hours alone in the forest in the middle of the night, and it was such a cool feeling. I really loved it. yeah, I feel like I'm all over the place with photography because I'm like so excited to learn everything. I've been learning, I'm watching videos every day to learn more about photography. And let me see if the camera is still rolling, because otherwise I'm just talking to myself like a crazy person. Oh yes! We had 15 seconds left, which means we're reaching 10 minutes. I can only make 10-minute file sizes because of this camera. I need a new camera. I also don't have a tripod, so my camera is literally sitting on the children's toys right now. It's quite funny, but anyways, yeah, organized Viva with beautiful business. Congratulations to myself. Yeah, I think we're done. Did we cover everything? No. But you know, it is what it is, and I'll be back next Sunday. So if I forgot something important, then I will try to make notes so that I will include it in the next video. But anyways, if you haven't subscribed, please help me out. I want to reach 1,000 subscribers. It's my next goal, and I probably should upload more videos for that, and I also should probably do something else than just sit down and talk for 10 minutes. But anyways, it is what it is, and if you would hit the like button and leave a comment, how are you doing? I would really love to hear from you. You know, we have some regulars on the channel that I really appreciate, and it's so cool. I feel like I know you guys, although I don't know you guys, and you guys know me because you're watch my face all the time, but I have no idea who you are. But it's so cool to have conversations with total strangers, and I hope you're doing good. And I would love to hear from you. And okay, we're gonna continue with our daily business, but check! Happy birthday! Check! Say hi to your followers. Do you know they love you more than they love me? Okay, we're gonna go now. Check with the button. Hi. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, are you ready for a 10-minute monologue? Oh, okay. Can you pronounce words out so people could actually understand what you're saying? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. But anyways, hi, it's been a month, yeah, so we're just gonna update what's been happening in this month, and then, you know, next video maybe will be more exciting. Actually, some action going on, but you know what? I needed to make a video because it was Jack's birthday. Yay! Please say hi to Jack. Jack is sleeping. Jack is done with this. Even worse, he told me that he forgot where he got Jack from. Yes, you heard me right. He told me that. Can you imagine? How stupid do you think I am? He forgot where he got Jack from, and he doesn't have any phone numbers, and he doesn't know when his birthday is. He doesn't remember when his birthday is. It's just a lie after a lie after. I hate liars. Like, just give me the truth and I will swallow it. Even if it's really hard, but don't lie to me. I hate when people lie. For me, lying is like betrayal. But anyway, so why are we getting there? I had this huge project that was really exciting. I took so much time, and I had to make quite a lot of photos they're gonna use it to advertise Hiiumaa as a tourist destination, and it was really exciting for me, and I was doing it, and I was like, oh damn, I'm actually a photographer and doing a professional photo shoots and project for money. I mean, that's usually you get money for job, but you know, it's just still a little bit interesting thought to me that I do what I love, I go to nature, take photos, and somebody's actually gonna pay me for that. You know, and if I can do the same thing with dogs, I mean, come on. That's my name written on it. And well, anyways, Milky Way is also really cool, so you know, just go on my Instagram and my Facebook, and you will see what I'm producing these days, because I'm trying to upload every single day now, because you know what? No use when you just have your photos on the hard drive, right? Yeah. My prints are up on that shop, and it is so exciting to have put my prints up there, and I feel like I can't talk anymore. Let's just use the last version of the video. Wait. And Jackie's done too, right? What am I doing there? Just go home. Everybody go home.